Have you ever thought about how the drinks you choose can impact your nerve health? It's fascinating, isn't it? We often focus on our heart or digestive health, but our nerves deserve just as much attention. Let's chat about some incredible beverages that can help repair nerves and prevent damage, shall we? First up, herbal tea. Think chamomile or ginger. They're not just cozy drinks. They're packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your nerves and help you unwind after a long day. Imagine sipping a warm cup while letting the stress melt away. Then there's green tea. This isn't just a trendy drink, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. Plus, it contains L-theanine, which can enhance your focus and mental clarity. So, next time you need a boost, reach for that refreshing cup of green tea. Now, let's talk bone broth. It may sound old-fashioned, but this nutrient-rich drink is loaded with collagen and amino acids that support your nervous system. It's like a warm hug for your body, and it's fantastic for regenerating nerve cells. Don't overlook beetroot juice. This vibrant drink improves blood flow and is rich in folate, crucial for nerve function. It's a delicious way to pack in some nutrients. And smoothies with berries? Yes, please. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. These little gems are antioxidant-rich and help combat oxidative damage in your nerves. Blend them up with some yogurt for a tasty treat. Coconut water is another gem. It's nature's electrolyte drink, perfect for replenishing minerals that support nerve function, especially after a workout. Last but not least, turmeric golden milk. This warming drink combines turmeric's anti-inflammatory magic with healthy fats. It's comforting and can aid in nerve healing. Incorporate these drinks into your daily routine, and you might just notice a difference. Cheers to happy, healthy nerves.